Alrighty, y'all. The haunt is almost 100% lit. At least the parts that are up. Obviously not the facade. And I was incorrect. This is going to have a little bit more light to it because it's barely being lit. And that door is going to be closed. But my lights are plugged in. My beautiful candelabra. Very nice, very nice. But you can't see the coffin at all, which is right there. So we've got this one lit. And as I showed, that beautiful desk. This is also why we want the door shut, or at least only open part of the way, so that this desk is highly visible. We don't want anyone running into it, you know. But I think it looks really good on the skeleton. Fantastic. And all that stuff. Oh my god, scary, Dr. Pepper. All distracting you from the scare right here. And then we'll make our way down here. I had forgotten that this walkway right here needs to be lit because it's burnt dark. But you get different colors. So right now we're settled on this for lighting because we always find this fading pattern, especially when you start them at different times. It's very off-putting, I think. And they're going to have to walk around this way because the actor is going to be right here. So there's no cutting it straight through and not to Shawls. Got a window for a potential scare there, or they're just going to think it is. Yes, I know. You're doing a good job.
Oh, God!
Thank you so much. Hey, how you doing? Stop slacking and sitting down on the job.
Yo.
Yo! Chicken! And of course we don't have all of the blockers, so you can't see what's in the next room.
Hush, Gollum.
But I think it's looking pretty good. That's very good. I did forget to hook that up until the last second, so that's not where it's going to be. It's going to be further down, and then an actor will be able to trigger it because it's like, you know, flames like they're being burned in the crematorium. And currently, this is what we've settled on for the greenhouse. Good job with the greenery there. It's whacking me.
Absolutely. Oh yeah.
I love this cage. You can't see anybody in it. We did tests.
And actually, for the video, let's go in.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Because the light was down here a little bit, and you can see in.
Can you see me?
Only when you moved your hand. We cannot see you in there at all, which is fantastic. Especially since you're probably going to be covered head to toe in black anyway.
True.
Not only that, but the laser is going to be like halfway. And also this reddish you can see here is from that red light, which is going to be blocked by a cloth covering here to block out what you can see. And I think I'm actually going to staple it against this wall so they can only come in by moving it this way, which prevents them from coming here, and then it's shining red right inside there.
Yeah.
So.
Either that or I'm going to be like wearing that like ghillie suit.
Well, see, that's the thing. I always set up multiple scares because, you know, number one, we almost always have people go through multiple times a night. And number two, we don't, if we have to send them in faster, which I'm guessing with the crowds this year we'll have to.
Yeah.
We don't want somebody going, oh my God, they're in the corner. And then when they come by, look, they're in the corner. What a scare. They ruined it for me. So that's why you can get in that corner. You can get in the cage. You can even go on the outside over here. I set up many, many scares in every room. Plus, that's just if there's one actor in it. I also set it up so that we can have multiple actors in them. And I also forgot that we need to light this. This in the black, which you can't see anything. This is the graveyard. But you can't see it because I didn't light it because I'm bad. All right, hey, this is going to look so good. Because people are going to be like, oh, look at that, look at that. And then something go, bleh. And then this over here, we're thinking about just having a pair of shoes sticking out from underneath there.
You know?
Can't even see them, honestly. It would have to be like whitish shoes, I think, because black, you can't see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think they're going to come over here and they're going to be looking, and then whoever's sitting here will be like, what are you doing? What are you doing to my stuff? But we did get the fireplace. In the fireplace. The best part is, if it's cold, that's a heater. We love it. Going to be moving that covered up picture frame to over here, just so it looks nice. And yeah, this is looking pretty good. There's creepy cloth everywhere. You know, I like to put things down so it makes it disgusting for people to walk through. I love cerebral haunts. I don't like them to be comfortable. Oh, that looks so good. You can't see through here anymore. I covered it with colored plastic. So that's nice. And there's also a sheet right there.
Yeah,
I can't see. It's too bright. Oh my god, where are we going?
laser time.
Lasers.
And we
Spooky
don't
laser time.
and we don't have that annoying cord that kept us to the right last time.
That is correct, Amundo. Yeah, we'll have to play with the settings. The only thing that's bad about this laser, you have to reset it every single time you turn it on. It won't stay. So if you want it just doing blue or just doing red, you have to reset that every night. But as long as you have the remote, it's not that big of a deal. If you lose the remote, then it's a big deal. Dun dun dun! Oh yes, look at that. We got our glowing, creepy paintings.
So much glows in here.
I know, those aren't reflectors. Whoa. It just changed color, now it's reddish. And
Fine.
then that is the end. That is the walkthrough for tonight. We got so much done. Woohoo! Look at the moon. No, we can't look at the moon. Go that way, through the entrance. And be honest, remember, it's for posterity.
I hate it.
This is stupid. Losers.
This one is up and running.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're definitely gonna need some more light in here than just that.
Yeah.
Even with two of them, no. Whew, that weed is strong with these ones.
I like it much better draped like this than hanging over. You're in a pile. Watch out, dude.
That's okay.
It's really hard to see.
There will be a light over here.
Oh, there.
So I do like this light like that.
So I've blocked the actual path, sorry, but normally you would have to walk through all that creepy cloth over there.
You
Hello.
did get rid of the Gollum machine on the other
Yes,
side.
I did.
What?
It made a screaming noise.
It was the motion detector sound effects.
It's a good one. I like that.
Nice.
Nice, nice. I like that light a lot.
It's not gonna stay there like that.
Look. Sorry, what was
People
that?
are gonna mess with them, but it's a nice job.
Thank you. Oh yeah, and in that like cage in there, you can't see anybody who's in there.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a fake mirror.
Yeah.
Isn't that sweet? Oh, that is hard to tell.
Yeah.
Fireplace.
When we get to the end, I can show you some pictures that I can show you some of the pictures that we took.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Where's the rickety bridge?
Darkness. Darkness. Is this where the sticky hands are gonna go?
The what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, this one trips me out. I can't be in this room too much.
How much money do you bet someone's gonna walk into one of these mirrors and break it?
Well,
Well, we have a poll betting
is
on
this guy gonna
how long
stay
until someone.
here?
No, it needs to be attached to the wall.
okay.
Wait, what's the betting?
Oh, and how long until someone breaks something in here?
Oh my gosh.
Like
look
crashing
at my
into it.
chicken.
Your chicken is radioactive.
Sorry.
I hope you're not barefoot. Okay.
Oh my god,
What
that's
the-
disgusting. Stop. Oh.
It's
Oh.
lemon pepper. Well, also,
Oh!
Dun,
Hi.
dun.
go home, check it out. What the heck?
Piece of chicken!
That's why dead animals.
It's not fake, it's real, like.
Hi.
I'll play
Kate.
doors. I'm gonna cry.
Radioactive chook
We'll
from
show you the
Walmart.
clip.
Video
Get in here.
Yeah.
That's
Come
my
on.
truck.
Come here.
Yo.
Second group. Now, just to let you know, it's not the finished lighting. Obviously, we've found some places that we forgot to light or just needs more lighting.
Yeah, the bathroom light was kind of messing with that.
Yeah.
Also, in here, don't touch this desk because it's like super old and raggedy. You'll get a splinter.
We should probably put a sign that says don't touch or something. Actually, then people are gonna want to touch it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We should just be scaring them, right?
Touch the desk.
Touch the desk. Do it.
And if we have enough people,
Central.
there will be a person behind the desk.
Your hands really fast across this desk and then see what happens.
See how many splinters you can get.
Oh yeah, we also got rid of the
You gotta
goblin.
do it right. You gotta have it like this.
The what?
We got rid of the goblin.
Oh yeah.
Honestly,
Like this.
It was like
Yeah.
It was like
Because
those
if we
dogs that,
wanted
like,
to, we could
scream
have
whenever
that
you
as an
hear it.
effect.
Yeah, thank you. That was it was a bit
Have this
very
type of chicken under a black light
That's so gross.
And
No.
Hold on.
and being
hold on.
eaten.
Okay, we're gonna
Before you keep going, I need to show y'all something.
I don't know if somebody wants to be eating the whole time though.
Is that you can't see in here. You can't see me.
See,
Are
look.
you gonna be in here?
I'm probably gonna be in here.
Wow. Hey.
I'm gonna fight you for the position.
No, you're not. No,
Yes,
you're
I
not.
Well,
I
I'm
do
going.
suppose you get first choice since you helped build the thing.
True, but this year I want to require everybody has to do at least 2 different positions. That way everybody can try new stuff. Because just because you're loving something doesn't mean you won't find another thing that you love.
And we want
Good.
to make sure that the haunt
Sweet.
is
Man,
the
this one's
best
pretty funny.
it can
What's
be.
your favorite dinner food?
I like carrot.
What's your
I-
favorite?
Said I looked funny.
I like this. I like this room. I'm
Without
probably
a chair
gonna.
and a dog.
This is probably gonna be my second choice, honestly, because.
God, the entire thing looks fantastic.
Is it
Also,
the
be
chair?
careful
Thank you.
watching
What scare would go over here?
Because I like standing.
A person in there.
I like standing still to scare people.
Oh God, I hate this room. I'd be in here though.
Oh yeah, by the way, that hallway there, it's not going to be open. It's going to be filled with clothes because it's a closet.
Nice.
And it's crappy ground too. Oh.
Yep.
People are gonna
Someone's
be
gonna
tripping.
trip.
Yeah.
Someone's
Probably.
gonna
Careful,
fall and
watch
break
your
this
step.
mirror.
And then yeah, you
Probably.
before.
Where's the radioactive chicken that go in? Chicken in the mouth.
And that's the exit. Not through there.
Yeah, this is where I actually.
You can go through there though.
Oh God.
everybody except for you two. Everybody except for
We
you
should.
two get clearance.
You guys have done amazing.
Yeah.
We should put
Don't
a
bite
bet
the bone.
on
I'm a biter. What do you want?
what's gonna be the most lost item. And the
Candy.
weirdest
The
creature.
greenhouse is my pride.
It's really nice this year. I really want to do.
So, what's your guys' favorite so far?
Cluster girls are going through there right now. I think I should do
What's your
that.
favorite room so far?
I like the one that smells like mint.
Yeah.
Smells like what?
That's au naturel, the mint room.
Yeah.
Like my
I like
that.
Personally, I like the greenhouse and the trippy room. The room where I feel like I'm on acid.
Oh yes, the Skelly Disco room.
Yes.
Yeah. Me personally, I'm kind of biased. Me personally, I'm kind of biased because I decorated that room. But I gotta agree with her.
guy gets it.
I like the greenhouse a lot.
Full moon.
Oh yes, and we didn't show you, or maybe you didn't see it. You know what the rat hole is, right? The rat hole, the big giant thing. That's actually at the very beginning of the Skelly Disco room.
I'm gonna help. So bad. I'm sorry.
We
No,
still
no.
have so much more to do because we
Really?
have to paint all of those cardboard for fake things like the crematorium one and the like metal door thingies for the like.
Yeah. Text or call me when you're
Where
here.
do you put dead bodies in the cold?
Yeah, I know.
The morgue.
A lake.
The fish
Yeah.
fillet sandwich.
Cold
Exactly.
storage.
What's your
Yes.
favorite room?
Okay, Jason. Jeez.
I am not sure what the mint room is for. What's that?
That is the cold room, I think. Let me see exactly where the mint is. Sorry.
Well, I cannot wait to see the facade, but I think currently the office.
Oh, that's the crematorium.
The office.
Ah,
and
you
this,
like the office?
both the office and this area right here.
It's already like cold in here. That's crazy. But if we could make it actually cold in here, that would be great.
Someone with tools and supplies. We have Dr.
Oh yeah. And see, those totes obviously aren't going to be there, but that's how they're going to have to walk around, which is why I put all of this gross stuff in the
have
way.
A jar of these eyeballs.
Well, not on the table. This is the prep room where they make the bodies look nice for the funeral. That's the cold room where they're stored in the ice lockers, and then on the other side, that's where the crematorium is. So those two places can have all the body parts. I don't know if, oh yeah, the jar full of eyeballs. Where is it? Oh, it's down there in the corner because it's glass. We need
It is
to
definitely
attache
glass.
permanently. But see, we got some of those up. We have lots
I
of
love how it still has a price tag.
fantastic.
We're gonna
Yes.
do with less bugs this year, right?
Yes. Successful run.